welcome back to my channel, Learn with Inga. Today we'll be talking about multiplying decimals, part 2. Our equation is 1.36 multiplied by 1.2. Don't line up your decimal points. The answer to this equation is 1.632. Because 2 times 6 is 12, carry over the 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 2 times 1 is 2. And now we move on to the ones place, so we add a 0. 1 times 6 is 6. Then 1 times 3 is 3. Then 1 times 1 is 1. Then we add those two numbers, which equals 1632. Then we add the decimal point. How is because we count how many numbers are behind the decimals. So there are 1, 2, 3 numbers, which are 3, 6, and 2. So we put the decimal points 3 numbers away, which is 1.632. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye!